Hey everybody, this is another video at Niagara Falls. I'm up on Skyland Tower right now. It's a little scary being up here. The wind's picking up. Elevator ride was pretty scary too, but it's fun once you're up here. There's the Ferris wheel, then the Rainbow Bridge, then you got the Niagara side of the falls, and then I'm gonna go over here to the Canada Falls. You can see all the mist rising up from it. It's crazy. Something like 50,000 gallons a minute. 100,000. Got the Made of the Mist bolts down there. Barely see them right in the middle of the screen. Subscribe.